is containing the original documents that was not there in their custody. So from that point of time, we have started searching for the documents.
What are the correspondents? Who is representing them?
Yes, my lord, on behalf of the original petitioners, my lord, the customer. My lord, there is
Customer?
yes, my lord, whose title documents has been lost by them, my lord.
Acha, yes. This is review.
Yes, my lord.
What's the original direction to
The original direction is at page number
retain the document?
return
Page
the
number 8-9.
8. We
What documents you have filed to show?
Title documents through the registered mortgage deed, my lord.
Where are those? She says it was kept in the custody of some corporation.
My lord, that version is not at all clear. The their version, my lord, the version of the LIC. They have, my lord, make any
You are appealing for the petitioner.
for the petitioners, my lord.
What is Mr. Nair? You are in the review.
Sir,
Have you filed any correspondence with that corporation?
sir, what we have done is because that corporation for that is in process. Sir, what we have done is we are in first of all we are inquiring into our association only. The 4 persons who were posted at relevant point of time in 2020, there was a bunch of 7 to 8 employees. So we have been inquiring in, we have issued show cause also, and we are seeking reply.
So called to your employee.
Yes, first of all, because this case pertains to around 4.5 years ago. So we are trying to unearth the real factum from where that document actually when was the last document pointed out, thereafter where it went. So we are doing this process and we have informed them we are ready to give an undertaking the financial institute, because what they have done is they have closed that loan account with our corporation, and now they are saying they will take loan from some other financial institute. So we have given an we are in correspondence.
Doesn't matter. It is his title deed, he is entitled.
Yes, sir, but this very rarely this happens, sir. ऐसा तो आज तक हुआ ही नहीं है कि LIC में कि कभी documents गुमा है. This is the first time that document has been lost. So we are also, but it's not we are taking it very lightly, sir. We are into it. We have already offered them. We will get the certified copy. We will issue a certificate that original documents were submitted with us. And somehow it has been. We are not saying ki lost. It is misplaced. We are still searching. We are into it. We are from last 4-5 months.
We are arguing, Mr. Nair,
Yes, sir.
that she has submitted
Yes.
that original title deeds are not kept with the LIC.
LIC.
It is sent to some corporation.
Holding, sir.
So where is that correspondence with the corporation?
Sir, and that.
Sir, actually, that is the normal process that we are doing. So when some loan gets closed, we call for
We are not concerned with the procedure.
yes, sir.
We are concerned with where is his title deed.
Sir, we have found
You
out
said that it was kept with the corporation. Have you made any correspondence with that corporation, and what is
Sir,
their extent?
sir, when we checked our records and from the reply that we got, this document had not gone to the stockholding corporation. That is what is, when we indented it, it was not received by us. So, the activity of sending the documents, somewhere that manual.
The annexure RP2.
You are representing whom?
I am representing the new bank who has financed this petitioner.
HDFC Bank.
On the letter which was issued by the LIC that they are having the original title deed. I am the second financer that they took from LIC.
So far you are concerned, money has already been paid.
I have paid money to LIC.
LIC.
I have paid money to LIC on the pretext that they are having possession over the original title document.
So far your liability is concerned. Whether you have got your amount or not.
No, I have I've not got any amount because my loan is his loan is still subsisting with me.
The HDFC paid a loan to my lord,
My loan is lying without any security.
So they are waiting for the documents, the original title documents of the.
And you have repaid the loan to whom?
through the HDFC Bank to the LIC manner.
Whatever loan he took, whatever loan the borrower from the
I
LIC.
want to be very clear.
Sir, it was a case
Whether
of
the loan amount has been paid or not.
Yes. I am the new banker who has paid all the entire amount which was due in the loan account of
And
LIC.
you paid that on the basis of the certificate.
On the basis of yes, on basis
Issued
of
by the LIC.
LIC Lordship,
That original title deeds are with them.
with them. And they have, and in their review petition also, they are nowhere talking about the stockholding corporation. The annexure
So
are
under this situation,
Lordship.
now what can be done?
Lordship, my amount may, the LIC may be directed to repay all the amount which has been obtained by me under that letter.
No, you are settling your score. We are not. You are not in petition.
Because
We are concerned with its title deeds.
ultimately we are also concerned because my account is lying without any security.
Sir,
If there is if any default occurs, if any default occurs, I won't be having any because I don't have a title deed with me.
in the
And every financial
You have got nothing to say. Please
Yes,
keep
yes,
quiet.
sir.
Because you are at fault.
Yes, we are at
We have to see what liability
Sir,
can
we
be.
apologize for that, sir.
Let us hear with
HDFC Bank.
SDFC because SDFC
They are not
issued on the basis of, who issued the certificate?
The LIC manner.
LIC, the
LIC is a very wide term. Who was the officer who had issued that?
area manager of Lordship.
Who was who is holding the post of area manager? Whether certificate is on record?
No, that certificate is not on record, Lordship.
Have you got copy of that?
I have a copy, Lordship.
When it has been issued and by whom?
It was issued on 12th of April 2023.
12th of
April 2023.
12th of April 2000.
But when during the finance Lordship, a separate letter might have been taken directly from the bank. I'll put that letter as well on record, Lordship. Because the loan was advanced in the month of January.
This was issued by area manager.
Earlier, the letter was issued by area manager.
12/4/2023.
23.
On this basis, you granted loan.
While granting the loan, that letter from is also being issued by the LIC to the HDFC. On that basis, because they enlist all the documents which they have with them.
That letter is also there.
That letter is not with me right now, Lordship.
Okay, but
This letter is also the letter evidencing that they were having the title deeds, and this letter was issued by area manager.
so who was the time area manager? Madam,
same-
can you were there. Who was the area manager that time? After.
Yes.
On what basis you issued certificate that original is lying with you?
Sir, we are having that system mechanism or that.
We are not concerned with the system mechanism. When you have issued the certificate, you must have got the title deed somewhere.
Sir, whenever customer is billing loan, that time we are entering all title deeds entry into our system. And we are having that system, so whatever we have added.
After issuance of the certificate,
Yes.
where the title deeds are kept,
My lord, we are having that means we are sending from area office to bank office and bank is sending it to stock office.
that was never sent. As per the stand, Mr. Nayak said,
Yes.
the documents were never.
what is that stockholding company saying?
Don't try to confuse the court. We have understood there are three loans.
Yes, sir.
So far two are concerned, there is no dispute.
Yes.
You have returned the title deed.
Yes.
No,
Sir, there is only, sir, there is only what actually has happened. Sir, it was also a takeover loan. It was not the first time they have initiated us and they approached us and they have given the documents to us and this is the first loan they are availing.
So what happened to first two loans?
Sir, so what has happened, sir, first of all, they keep, we take over that loan. The similar process what the HDFC has done, we have also done the documents. So we have all those documents from that India Bulls. From India Bulls, we have received those documents and we have sent those documents to
ये कौन है इंडियन बुल्स?
India Bulls is also housing financial company where they have availed their first time they have availed their loan. There we have We took that loan from there and we
You are
got it.
not disputing the fact
Yes.
that you received the title deeds.
Yes, that is all actually, sir, without a receipt.
Last question is that what can be done?
Sir,
What are the terms and conditions and
that is what I was also
what
searching.
relief can be granted?
Sir, in a similar circumstance, there is a case in exactly what has happened, sir, there. अगर आप
Yeah.
Well, there are so many correspondences between the LIC and us and the SDFC. They have never disclosed it that they have given the original documents to third party. Even at page number 13, they have filed a complaint before the police in which they are saying that has been lost from branch. They have filed the document, my lord.
Branch of the LIC.
Branch of the LIC. They have filed the complaint, my lord, with the review petition,
Question is that let us take situation fact.
my lord.
It is lost and it is misplaced. Whatever is that lost, misplaced, or it is not available. Now, what order can be passed?
My lord,
One order is that we will ask for the inquiry and to take action against those officers.
my lord.
And the other, what relief can be granted? So for that, we will say that the SDFC should also be given.
Well, two reliefs may be granted, my lord, which we propose, my lord.
Yes.
The first is the which has been filed with the petition, my lord, at page number 135 and 136, my lord, the guidelines of the RBI, which says, my lord, that may kindly see the guidelines of the RBI, my lord. Annexure P9, page number 135, my lord. Writ petition, my lord, which says, my lord, that they have to pay 5,000 rupees per day. Page number 135, my lord. Writ petition, my lord. This is the guideline in regards to the lost document, my lord.
735.
Rule number 6 may kindly be seen, my lord.
Sir,
it is for delay.
Delay and lost.
Lost.
7.
Yes, my lord.
7 is.
Rule number 6 says, my lord,
just
page number 136 may kindly be seen, my lord.
direct order, यहाँ पे
I have the guideline, my lord.
just
Yes, I have the guideline. Sir, there is.
ये तो 136 इधर ले आई स्क्रॉल ही करना पड़ेगा
I have the copy of the guideline.
बताइए
एक
क्या कहती है व्हाट आर द गाइडलाइंस से
Rule number 6 and 7 says, my lord, in case of delay in releasing of original movable oblique immovable property documents or failing to file charge satisfaction form with relevant registry beyond 30 days after full repayment oblique settlement of loan, the RE shall communicate to the borrower reason for such delay. In case where the delay is attributed to the RE, it shall compensate the borrower at the rate of 5,000 for each day of delay, my lord. 7 says, my lord, in case of loss oblique damage or to original movable oblique immovable property documents, either in part or in full, the RE shall assist the borrower in obtaining duplicate.
RE means
The, my lord, that means, my lord, the responsible lending
Regulated entities.
regulated entities, my lord.
regulated
Entities. Yes, my lord. That is written at page number 135, my lord. The first page, my lord.
So that means the financial institute who has
Number 7 says, my lord, in case of loss of the damage to original movable immovable property documents, either in part or in full, the RE shall assist the borrower in obtaining duplicate of the certified copies of the movable immovable property documents and shall bear the associated cost in addition to repaying compensation as indicated at paragraph 6 above. However, in such cases, an additional time of 30 days will be available to the REs to complete this procedure, and the delay period penalty will be calculated thereafter, that is after a total period of 60 days. The compensation provided under these directions shall be without prejudice to the right of a borrower to get any other compensation as per any applicable law. So, my lord, they should pay that compensation of 5,000 rupees per each day, my lord, because that has been done because of their part. And second, my lord, they have provided us the certified copy, the photocopy of the certified copy of the title deed, my lord. So my humble submission is that, my lord, that it may kindly be, because the original title deed has already been lost, my lord. So it may kindly be declared that this certified copy number will be treated as original one. So they will,
Whether in the writ I can do it.
my lord, the HDFC, our problem is the HDFC, my lord. They are not considering these documents, my lord.
Tomorrow, whether anybody will be able to purchase your property on the basis of this certified copy of the photocopy.
My lord, I am in most disadvantaged stage, my lord.
So I'm trying to help you, not within the own confines of the law, what relief can be granted. Because one will say that compensation, but whether compensation would suffice you, your purpose, unless you get original title deed, and that.
My clients,
So far HDFC is concerned, we can say that on the basis of the certificate of
it may be,
but what about return of your original?
My lord, it's lordship.
That was given this order that was explained, sir. May I read the one para only? That any immovable property which is sold is required to be compulsory registered under Registration Act. The state government charges the stamp duty for registration of any sale.
You are reading which provision?
Sir, last ban of this order, sir, जो मैंने अभी pass करा है. 7, para number 7, page number 4. That any immovable property which is sold in required to be compulsory registered with the under the Registration Act. The state government charges the stamp duty for registration of any sale deed. Conveyance deed. On demand, the certified copy of the registered sale deed can be issued from the office of registrar certifying the title and sale transaction between the parties. Therefore, certified copy issued from the office of duty registrar stamp is equivalent to the original sale deed. The respondent bank has already certified that the original document was produced by the petitioner, which has been misplaced. Therefore, in view of the certified copy issued by the sub-registrar along with the certificate issued by the respondent number 1, there can be no doubt on the title of the petitioner of the house in question. The petitioner has not made any pleading in petition that when he applied for loan, which bank has refused to grant loan on the basis of certified copy or bond of original deed. Hence, no, this is no in that no relief was granted, but we are saying कि sir, we are ready to issue a certificate. We are indemnifying that no person will misuse that in any case. Any misuse is that, then we indemnify that the respondent, the concerned bank, because sir, this is a very unique situation, peculiar situation, which normally does not happen.
Which is created by your officer.
Yeah, that we admit that we.
Very surprising people,
even my
very purpose of
Not being one case happened in lakhs of.
we have 4 or 5 examples of that because they are used to publishing the notices for lost, my lord. We have the paper, my lord, but we don't want to go into that, my lord. But they took 7 months to disclose it. When
even luckily I don't have now only loan from NIC.
but they don't give, they don't take it very seriously, my lord, to keeping the original documents.
Mr. Gavale, though the state is not party, but considering this peculiar situation, we ask that after sub registrar, whether as this court observed, that was a case where sub registrar issued a certificate, whether under the law, some certificate can be issued that original is lost and that's why photocopy will be. We don't know what would be the admissibility in the evidence, etc. But whether certificate, what is the law? We want to know that. In such situation, what is the stand of the sub-registrar? They would be able to inform us that in such a situation, this is not case before the court. Question is that original title deed. Then we would have such secondary evidence, etc. in Evidence Act. Question is that if original is lost, admitted, irrespective we will take the liability, etc. We will whatever criminal and departmental liability on the hearing officers. Question is that how to resolve this. So ask the sub-registrar. This is from which place? Indore itself.
Indore.
We keep it after 1 week. Little. Be ready. Find out cases. Little. Sri Nayak for the applicant. Sri Akash Deep Shukla for the respondents 1 and 2. Sri Amit आपकी the respondents number 4 3 कौन है please 3 Hmm? Three is reserved meant for the respondent number 3 in compliance to the order dated 10/9/2024 comma the manager operation
Yes.
Srimati what's her
Smita Chitil.
Smita Chitle.
is Smita Chitle along with Sri Kapil Raghuvanshi,
Yes.
area manager are sitting in the court. The present review is of an order passed by this court directing the applicants to return the original title deeds of the respondent number 1. In the review petition, it is stated that the original title deeds of the respondent number 1 has been lost, misplaced. In this regard, an FIR has also been being complaint has been lodged to the police station. कहाँ का police station?
Indore.
Dwarikapuri, Indore. And notices have also been issued.
Yes.
Departmental.
Department.
To the hearing officers of the department. Police. The counsel for the respondent number 4 submits that he had repaid the loan of the respondent number 1 on the basis to the response to the applicants or on the basis of a certificate issued by the applicant certifying that the original title deeds of the respondent number 1 are with them. Understand? देखिए, the facts of the present case establishing that the loan was obtained by depositing original title deeds and the original title deeds are lost. Understand? Counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant corporation is ready to issue a certificate certifying that the original title deed of the respondent number 1 are lost. Understand? And in view of the aforesaid, this court deems it appropriate to get instructions from to direct the state council to seek instructions from sub-registrar. क्या कहना sub-registrar stamps के नहीं registry to sub-registrar sir.
Registrar of Indore
To the
The sale deed was executed at SRO Indore 3.
sub-registrar
Sub-Registrar Office Indore.
Registration in stamp department, madam.
sub-registrar of Indore
office number 3. Office number 3.
office number 3 that whether on the basis of a certificate issued by the applicant a certificate can be issued to the effect the original title deeds, the photo certified copy of the original certified copy of photocopy of original deeds can be certified by him acknowledging the title of the respondent number 1. Place the matter after 2 weeks. Name of Advocate General Office be reflected in the cause list so as to represent to seek instruction from the aforesaid authority. Let in the week commencing October 14th, 2024.
My lord, small request to reflect my name in the order sheet, my lord.
Your, I said AG office.
My lord, the instruction I have received, my lord, and second, my lord, that
Like
the
this
copy
Sri
can be
Gawai.
signed.
Okay.
So we will supply the photocopy of that registry
Uh,
and the
अभी तो ये इस ऑर्डर शीट पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस हैं अगर if they come out with that anything can be done then we will ask them that.
we are ready. We have given them an offer that certified copy of that document, what we have got from that.
We are concerned with that matter on that basis.
Yes, can be done now.
Any under the law any transaction can be done.
Because whatever I have financed,
Questions
whatever I have financed is on the basis of
that
that.
will protect your interest. They have to repay it.
No.
Because they have lost, you have no remedy.
Probably.
Yes. I have a copy of the order. This order be supplied to Sri Gawari Government Educate for compliance.
I'm praying for the item number 29 postpone.